Well, hello, school counselors and school counselors to be. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today, you guys, I just wanted to do a day in the life of a school counselor for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm up to now, especially since it's the end of the year. It's actually Wednesday today. I was actually out Monday and Tuesday because I did not feel good. I've been dealing with like sore throat, body aches, mucus, just all that stuff, okay? And so I went to the doctors and I was cleared to go back to work today. It actually started for me on Saturday, and so I was like, I need to go to the doctors and just figure out what's going on. So I'm good now. I'm back. I have plenty of things that I need to do. You guys, when I walked in here, I realized how messy it was that I left it on Friday. So you guys don't know, Friday I actually went to a field trip with second grade. We went to like some type of like zoo. It wasn't really a zoo. I don't really know, but it had animals there. But anyway, we went there, and I think it was kind of like a planetarium and some other things that they had there. And that was a great time. The kids absolutely enjoyed it. So y'all, this is how my room is looking. It's definitely needing to be cleaned up. I actually did stations last week with my students. This week I'm not going to have classes just because I started in the middle of the week and it's just going to be too much. But y'all, I got paper down here that I need to get up. The kids on Thursday left this mess because I wasn't here Friday because I had went on the field trip. I did not go through everything and start cleaning. This is a mess over here. I got chairs over here, so it is definitely, it needs to be cleaned. I really need to be cleaning these pillows because the kids been sitting on them, playing on them, putting their fingers all on them, so it needs to be cleaned. All right, this is what I need to be cleaning. All of the paper fell from on this and went back here. All right, so now I'm gonna clean this off, you guys. So I cleaned off that table, so now I'm moving to this table, and I'm just gonna put all these things back into this wooden playhouse. Y'all, I have mentioned this many times, but my kids truly love playing with this. So if you work in an elementary school setting, I highly suggest you guys purchase this like with your school counselor money that the district should give you. Every district is different, so you might get this, you might not. But if your school district does give you a certain amount as a school counselor and you don't have to purchase anything else, I highly suggest you guys to get this. And voila, that is finished. Okay, I'm gonna put that in my closet. So these are the things that we're using for safety day. So I actually had to go through and sort all of this stuff, you guys. It's finally sorted out. Everything looks good. And hey, you guys, so I am currently in my classroom. I'm actually for real today going to get all of my things together. I feel like I've just been doing little bit by little bit throughout the week and haven't really hit that. Man, Jazz, you really need to get your stuff together. So today I'm actually really putting in that work. This is what I have done so far. So those boxes that's up there, and then I'm starting to put things on this table right here. So I don't have a whole lot of things, but I have enough things to where it's like, you need to go ahead and get this together. I'm going to try today to put everything in my car. I don't know. It just depends on how I feel. But I'm going to, if I do it today, then I'm going to try to put everything in my car today. If not, I'm just going to wait till tomorrow. So yeah, I need to go through these things. I have some papers I need to actually put, because these are things that I can recycle for like next year lessons and stuff. So I need to actually put it in this part of this drawer. But yeah, you guys, you can see some of the things that I've already got all together over here. So Let me get to work. Good morning, school counselors and school counselors to be. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Y'all, it is early Thursday morning. It is currently 6:36. And y'all, I'm up. I'm like wide awake and I don't have to be to work until like 8 o'clock. And so it's about a 50-minute drive. So I really didn't have to wake up until maybe 6:50. But y'all, I was up at like 5:38 this morning. So that's okay. I'm opening up some of my blinds this morning. So today is my last day of work. Super excited, you guys. I'm super excited because I'm getting ready to embark on a whole new adventure. I'm going to be at a different school, meeting different people. So I'm pretty excited this morning. I'm going to actually pick up my nieces this morning because they're going to help me, get things packed up in the car and stuff like that. So I am ready. I am ready this morning. All right, you guys, so I am finally in the classroom. I brought my nieces with me. And my other niece, she's going to third grade. She's in there. She found all the games and stuff, so she's probably getting ready to play stuff. So we're finally in the room. This is what it's looking like. I had some stuff that was on this table, but I ended up moving it just so that they can have a little bit of place to sit and everything like that. So we're not going to put things in the car just yet. But it's still early morning. It's currently 7:46. So I'm getting my stuff together. I can't believe it. It is already today's my last day. It's exciting. I wanted to show y'all really quick. So an awesome teacher here. She's actually the librarian. She actually bought me this Inspire. So I thought it was very fitting because I have a course, a YouTube channel, The Inspiring School Counselor, that whole thing. So I absolutely love it. But I don't cry today. I don't think I'm going to cry. I don't feel it. I don't feel it coming. But right now, I actually have to write up something to send to my principal about a situation that took place yesterday because we had a student make some comments that they shouldn't have made. And so the mother wants me to just write it out and everything like that and send it to her. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is what we're doing right now, is just chilling. I know I'm going to have a meeting at some point today with my principal. It's a leadership meeting. We're going to go over some things. So that is what we have planned today so far. But we will see as the day unfolds. I want to show you all that we were able to get done. It is currently 1:49 and all that stuff that was over there, it is no longer there. It is in my car. I actually just have to take these few items home with me. So I just have to put that in the car. But for the most part, everything is everything is pretty much gone. So the stuff that you see in here still is what I'm leaving. We also had to move the chairs over there, stack the tables because the custodians are going to come in and they're going to do whatever they need to do to the carpet. I'm still like, it hasn't kicked in that I am leaving. So I don't know if it ever will. Like, I think at this point, it's just like, I'm happy for this new adventure, going to this new school. I know it's going to be great. I'm going to have a great year. And so I'm really looking forward to building new relationships with the faculty and staff and students. So it's a lot of great things to look forward to. So currently right now, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for it to hit 3 o'clock so I can get up out of here, me and my nieces. Technically, my last day is tomorrow, but I was able to put in a personal day for tomorrow because my nephew is graduating, so I'm going to be going down there. So I was like, you know what, let me just take off that, and just be there, and I can just get off today. And I also turned in my keys and my badge. So I don't know, it's kind of like, well, they got my badge too. But yeah, so I'm super excited. God is so good. I'm ready for just the adventure and what God has planned in store for my life, even going into this new school. So I'm just going to continue to relax and enjoy and count down the time. The car is packed. So I got all my stuff from the school and now it's time to head back home.